Hello kids, this is Faizan Hussain and we were studying the chapter Tissue class 9 Biology. So in the last class we were studying about the meristematic tissues and our today's topic is types of meristematic tissues. Types of meristematic tissues. So here, if we classify the meristematic tissues, so we can classify the meristematic tissues on the basis of their origin. So on the basis of their origin, the meristematic tissues can be classified into three types. On the basis of origin. So here, on the basis of origin, they can be classified into three types. What are those three types? You can say first is apical meristem. Apical meristem. What do you mean by apical meristem? Here, the word apical. Apical word means you can say apex. Apex, or you can say tip. Apex or tip. So these apical meristem are present at the tip of roots or shoots. Okay, and they help in primary growth. Present at tips of roots and shoots. Roots and shoot means stems, you can say. And they help in primary growth. Helps in primary growth. How they help in primary growth? Like we can say there is a plant, right? Here we can draw a plant. Suppose this is a plant, right? Okay. Here there are different root tips, right? So here, this is the plant, this is the root part and this is the shoot part. So here, this is the root part and this is the shoot part. So it is present at the tip. Tip you can say like this. Here, if we draw a stem tip, we can say the apical meristem. And apical meristem is present here. Here the cells are, you can say, dividing. These cells divides and grow larger in size, and hence they helps in primary growth. They are responsible for primary growth, and hence it is also known as primary meristem. प्राइमरी मेरिस्टेम्स और यू कैन से प्राइमरी ग्रोथ में हेल्प करता है. It is responsible for primary growth, increase of, you can say, root or shoot length. Got it? It helps in increasing root or shoot length. So it is the apex, and here it is apical. apical meristem. Got it? It helps in, you can say, increasing the primary length, or you can say the length of root or shoot. Got it? Our next, you can say, second part is, that is, let me rub this. Our second part is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem. Got it? So here in the intercalary meristem, as here the word is inter. Inter means between. Inter means between. So here these are present in between, you can say, the two nodes at the internode region, or you can say these are present in the leaf base or twigs. Got it? Present in leaf base, twigs and internodes. What are these internodes? What are these internodes? Here, if we are talking about, you can say, internodes, so these internodes are present between two nodes. Now the question arises, what are these nodes? So here you can see this. From here a branch arises, this is a node. Here another branch arises, it's also a node. Here the another branch arises, it is also a node. And the distance between two nodes is known as internode. Got it? The distance between two nodes is internode. So it helps in increasing the length of the internode or length of the plant. Got it? In this way, it helps in increasing the length of the plant, and it is also present in the base of the leaf, and hence by, you can say, enlargement or division, it helps in the increasing in size. Got it? So it is also help in increasing the length of plant. Helps in increasing length of plant. Got it? So this is present between the internodes. So here this is, you can say, present somewhat here, and it also helps in increasing the length. They both helps in increasing the length. Now, what is the third type? What is the third type of meristem? The third type of meristematic tissue is, what is it? It is lateral meristem. Lateral meristem. Or also known as cambium. Now here the lateral meristem. What is the function of lateral meristem? Here it increases the width. It increases the wideness of the plant. You have seen many trees, right? Here the small plant is converted into a tree, and what increases the, you can say, size or width of the tree is lateral meristem. Like here, it is converted into a big tree. Here the roots are there, right? So here the width, this width of the plant is increased due to lateral meristematic tissue. What we call this? Girth. Helps in increasing girth of plant. Girth, you can say wideness or width. Got it? So here the plant is increased in the, you can say, lateral side, or you can say wideness. It is its width is increased. It is all due to the lateral meristem. So here in this way, here it is present in such a way to increase the width of the plant. Here it is. Lateral meristem. If we are talking about the lateral meristem, it helps in increasing the secondary growth. It helps in increasing the secondary growth. It is the secondary growth. Actually, length is the primary growth and it is the secondary growth, right? Here we can see it helps in increasing the secondary growth or width of the plant. These are of two types. One is vascular cambium and another is cambium. We will not study these in details. Just we should know what is this, you can say vascular cambium and what is cambium. You might have seen the trees. When we cut the trees in this way, we will get a round section. So here, if you will see this round section of the tree, so you will find there are some rings present in it, right? So with the help of these rings only, scientists can identify the age of the plant, right? And here it is present the cambium, that is vascular cambium. It is present between the xylem and phloem tissue. Xylem tissue is present in the center and phloem tissue is present at the periphery or the side part. And here also we can see this part, this outer part, this bark. We have seen the bark part. So this bark part, the width of this bark part is increased by the cambium. Here the cork is made up of the bark only and the width of bark is increased by the cambium only. In this way, it helps in increasing the width of the tree or plant. Got it? So these are the types of meristematic tissues.